They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want
Okay, hello everyone. How are you today? Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you so much for coming to our channel talking about English. Yeah. My name is Sokha, right? He's a teacher of English. So today I'm going to share with you all about the verb form, okay, after verb like and love, right? So if you want to know about what kind of form that should be used after like and love, okay, please don't forget to watch the video or to watch uh, our lesson all together. But before you watch the video, don't forget, okay, like and subscribe if you think that the video is useful for you, and to share to your friend to know about this lesson as well. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's take a look with the form and my explanation in the video. Yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you very much for everyone for listening and watching my video. So today we are going to talk about the verb form of the verb like and love. So after then, what form should we use? Okay, so now take a look and listen to me to explain all of you about this. Okay, so now locate the verb like and love. So as you can see in the slides after them, so them here refer to like and love. So they can be followed by ing form. So after like and love, okay, they can use ing form. Okay, so ing form here it mean that we can use plus the verb ing. If you want to know about that, please take a look at the sentence in example. So the first example, for example, I say I use the verb like. Okay, I like if I use verb. For example, I verb. Okay, actually, for example, I like watching if I use the verb watch. So I have to add ing. So I like watching TV. Okay, this is example about like. Or if I use another verb, for example, we love. Okay, we love is your verb talk, so I have to add ing. So we love talking to each others. Okay, right? Okay, now take a look with another example. If you see, she likes speaking. So speak, so we use with ing because speaking, she likes speaking English. Okay, with her friend. Okay, right? Okay, another example. If you he, like he loves, okay, playing. So play become playing a game. So game, right? Okay, and we can use with they. So they, so you can use with like or loves up to you, guys. Eh? So they like, okay, they like study. In study, we have to add ing. They like studying French and German, right? For example, right? Okay, okay. So this is the example about like and love. So after them, we use with ing form, as you can see in the example. Okay, so thank you very much everyone. If you have any question, you can ask me by using the list by listing the comment below the video. Yeah, thank you.